Hey guys, TechMcGee here. This is my first video on this channel. I hope you really like it, so please watch and enjoy. Okay, so let's start by taking a look at the packaging here. This is a literal unboxing. I haven't actually seen this yet. This is the GMMK. It comes in a nice little bit of simplistic packaging. It's wrapped in a little sleeve here. I'm really impressed by this actually. The back of the board is really nice as well, smooth. It's got a USB-C connector. I really appreciate that because it allows me to change cables and I can take this with me. It's portable. It's got its own little keycap puller there as well. But yeah, looking at the front, it's got RGB lighting in there. It comes with mounted stabilizers as well, which we will be modding. Yeah, this is what comes in the box. There's the USB-C cable that comes. It's a sort of braided one. We got a sticker and we've got a little card here with the glorious branding on there. We're gonna have a look. The cable itself is decent quality. As I mentioned, it's braided, so it's a bit more durable than most cables. Yeah, it's not got the rubber plasticky sleeving thing on it. It's USB 2 to USB-C, as you can see there. Generic cable. I'm probably going to get my own at some point. A little closer look at the actual keyboard front. Yeah, stickers. You also get 2 keycaps, a switch puller and spare feet for the keyboard. I bought the Gator brown switches. They come in a pack of 120. I only need 88 because I've got a 10 keyless bud, but that's fine. It gives me spares, and if I ever want to mod other keyboards, I might not have to buy as much anyway. Price was pretty cheap. I can't remember the exact price, but it was about £35–36. It even gives you a little comparison table on the back of the box. Again, it's sleek. It's a sleek design. I really appreciate that. It's not overcomplicated. Here are the switches in the bag. Again, you've got the card and a sticker, but there's also some tweezers in this box as well. We've got the legs here, the feet here. There's only 2 adjustable settings, but I've never really needed more in all fairness. It's a very thin board. It's very lightweight as well. And here's a little sort of angle that you can see how thin it is. It's got rubber feet. Back to the front of the board, just a quick zoom in. You've got the letters there for each individual switch. Here are the switches themselves I'm going to be fitting. Just a little close up so you guys can see. It's a Gator brown. And here's just a quick video of me putting the switches into the keyboard. As you can see here, I've got the GMMK keycaps, which finish the board off nicely. Thanks for watching guys, give me a like, comment, subscribe and share the video.